Alright, hey guys, these are the interesting things that I found about this article about brands and children. So, one of the things I found interesting was the study with the 3 to 13-year-olds and how they had them do a matching game, and they had 18 logos and had to match them with the product category. This was fast food, sweet, salty snacks, and drinks, and the results indicated that logo recognition was associated with higher BMI scores and nutritional knowledge, but not with unhealthy food preferences or purchase requests by children. So this says that, when they recognize a logo that corresponds with that product correctly, I'm guessing, most of the logos, it associated with their BMI score, which was a lot higher compared to those who didn't recognize the logos of the products as much. The correlation between BMI and logo recognition implies that market exposure and brand awareness might be part of lifestyle linked to the risk of becoming overweight. Another thing I found interesting was when Zimmerman and Bell examined the relationship between the content of children's television viewing and their BMI. And this data showed that the nature of the food and beverage products, which is the quality of the food, nutritional-wise, that were promoted on the commercial ads was linked to obesity. And, watching the TV or eating while watching TV, was it a contributor? So I thought all this was really interesting because I never really thought that those factors could be contributing to obesity, but it makes sense. I know for me, I bet, because I've done like a matching game like this before, and I did pretty good at like matching the logo and the product together, because in the logos that I did recognize the most were fast food places. And I think I recognize those the most is because I'm familiar with them and have eaten there before. So it makes sense that with children, it's the same way. If you know that logo pretty well and know the product, even if you haven't eaten there before and seen it from television, you may at some point want to try it out. And well, anyway, I can just see how that can contribute. So this was a very interesting article.